In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mask in Figma. A mask lets you reveal just the part of a layer you want to show. Kind of like looking through a window while keeping everything editable underneath. We will walk through creating the mask shape, positioning your content, applying the mask, and then adjusting the result. First, create the mask shape. Use the shape tools in the toolbar: rectangle, ellipse, polygon, or even the pen tool for a custom contour. Think of this shape as the window through which your image will be visible. Place it on the canvas where you want the content to appear. The fill color of the shape won't affect the final masked look. And strokes won't show once the mask is applied, so focus on size and placement for the framing you want. Next, bring in the image or content you want to mask and place it above the shape in the Layers panel. You can import an image or paste any frame, text, or vector. Make sure the content sits higher than the shape in the Layers stack by dragging it above the shape's layer. Align it on the canvas so the part you care about overlaps the shape. Keep in mind that Figma uses layer order to determine the masking behavior. If the preview looks off after masking, you may need to quickly reorder so the correct layer sits on top before trying again. Now apply the mask. Select both the shape and the object. You can hold Shift and click each, or marquee. Select them together. Right, click and choose Use as Mask. Figma will create a masked group showing only the portion of your content that intersects with the shape. From here, refine the result. You can move or resize the mask shape and the masked image independently inside the masked group. Click the masked area to drill into it, then select either the shape or the content. Drag the image to reframe it within the mask, or resize it to adjust scale. Select the mask shape to change its size. Rotate it or even round rectangle corners for a softer look. For precise control, hold Shift to maintain proportions while scaling and use smart guides to align edges. If you ever need to reposition everything together, select the masked group itself and move it as one. Naming the masked group helps keep your Layers panel tidy, especially in larger files. When you are happy, click outside the group to exit. That's the full workflow. Thanks for watching.